Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. We are back. We are back with another Ipsy unboxing. Or should I say BoxyCharm by Ipsy unboxing. So this is the box for the month of August, which again, holy cow, I know I say this every single month, but like, can we slow down just a little bit? So yeah, so let's see what's in the box. I am home today from work. I don't know if you guys can tell. Hopefully you, like, I'm sure you can, but this eye right here, yeah, we get a little bit of pink eye going, a little conjunctivitis, okay? So I'm at home like, okay, what do I do? Because like, you know, I technically shouldn't be out and about. I didn't go to work today because I don't want to give my whole entire workplace pink eye, because like, hello, I work with people, so like I can't just like, you know, I'm not like a loner in an office by myself all day. Like, I work with people, I work with clients, so you know. So we got some eye drops. We got some eye drops for the eye, so you know, we started that. I literally just got over a cold or something a couple, you know, actually just maybe almost a week ago, maybe at this point. So yeah, everything's going great. That's fine because other people have it way worse. So if I have to go through a, you know, something like this where it comes and it goes and I'm back to health and back to normalcy, then I will take it and be thankful for that. So I'm home. I'm like, what can I do? What things can I check? Because, you know, I can't just put a robe on and be like, ah. You know, I am like, okay, I'm home. It is what it is. What can I do to be productive at home? So I put 3 large baskets of laundry away. I did my nails, which I was planning to do my nails tomorrow, but I checked that off. So fresh set. And now I'm filming for you guys. I do have another video that I just need to edit, and that's my thing, is I usually have like a video sitting in my drafts forever, and I just need to get better at like editing within 48 hours of filming, and I will like leave it sit there for like a month and then be like, hey guys, I'm back. And it is, you know what it is, and I know I'm supposed to be jumping into my BoxyCharm unboxing, but I just really wanted to say, like, I am very thankful for every single person that hit the subscribe button. And it's like a battle because, you know, 500 and some people in this world, like 500 and some people, believe in me. They believed in me enough to hit the subscribe button and say like, I want to continue to keep watching. And so when I slack on filming and making video and content for you guys, I'm like, I get in my head a bit, and it's a struggle because I'm like, you know, what are you doing? You're not good enough. Like, and not that I'm looking to, you know, this would be great if it could grow into something, but like, I don't know, like, I'm just like, what are you doing? You're a 31-year-old in a city that's like, you know, like no one does this. No one really does this. Maybe TikToks and stuff, but I really like, I don't live in a community where like YouTube is huge, and I know that it's so many content creators and influencers also came from small towns and small areas where like this isn't the norm, like people don't do this, and then grew something beautiful. So I get in my own head, I get in my own funk, and then I just block myself, but I still enjoy filming. I do have plans to grow my channel and add more content. Just know though that I am very, very grateful and thankful for everyone who hit the subscribe button as in helping me continue to grow my channel. It's been a very slow growth, but that's my fault because again, I have not been putting in the time or the effort. And when I do, I see growth, I see it. But then again, I get in my own head and I'm like, what are you doing, Sierra? What are you doing? Like, I don't know where my little like paper went with like the theme of the box. I don't know where that went. So, but like always, I will go ahead and make sure that the prices are somewhere around. If you guys do not know what BoxyCharm by Ipsy is, it is a monthly subscription box. You do get to choose 3 out of your 5 products. They choose 2 power picks for you based on your survey of what you entered about the things that you like and prefer, and they will create this box for you, and it's quite magical. I love it. If you love makeup and skincare and makeup and hair tools and all of that stuff, all beauty related items, I think you would really enjoy the subscription box. It is just a little over $30 some a month. You get way more than what you pay for, so the value is always there, as you will see in just a minute. I'll go ahead and leave the link down below. I am not sponsored in any type of way. I just love my subscription. I love the products that I get, so I will leave the link down below. If you want to check them out or sign up for yourself, it will be there for you. So the first product that they chose for me is from Too Faced. This is actually the second one that I received. I think a couple months ago I received one that I still haven't even opened yet. But this is the Better Than from Too Faced. I will go ahead and you can see for yourself what the mascara is. But yeah, this is, and I don't think this is like a new one or anything like that. I think this is just their original. So this is what the brush looks like. I'm not going to open it up because again, I do have another one that is the exact same one that is a little bit older, so I will use that one first. I do enjoy this mascara, so I'll definitely get use out of it. I believe that this was the other thing that they chose for me. This is from Ever Eden, I believe. It's their Nourishing Facial Cleansing Oil. Has sunflower seed oil, argan oil, and jojoba seed oil. It's supposed to be non-toxic, hypoallergenic, and dermatologist tested. It does say suitable for babies, kids, and sensitive adults. So interesting. The fact that it says cleansing oil and facial, I can't smell it. It's closed. But so I'm assuming it doesn't have a scent. Apply on dry face and gently massage into skin to melt away makeup, sunscreen, and other impurities. Rinse and gently pat to dry. Shake well before use. Avoid eye area. So this will be a great product to use to go ahead and remove like your base makeup, but it's not something that you're going to want to use to like remove like mascara, which is fine. I can just use a normal makeup remover, like I just got one from e.l.f. honestly. It's like it looks like a micellar water, but it's actually like an oil and water conjunction. I didn't even know that they had it, and so I saw it in Target, and then you shake it up and then you can put it in like whatever makeup remover pad you use and remove your makeup. So, or like Garnier, they have micellar waters, things like that. So you can just use that to remove your eye makeup, and then use this to like cleanse your face to remove the regular makeup. And then I would go in with a second cleanser. I always like to double cleanse, so I like to remove that first layer of makeup, get majority of that off, and then I will go in with my normal cleanser and just make sure that my face is really clean. Next was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz Skinny Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. So we all love a good Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil, so did grab that. The next product that I chose is skincare. So this is from Keys Soul Care, which is Alicia Keys brand, and this one is the Firm Belief Smoothing Peptide Cream. It is dermatologist developed, vegan, fragrance free, cruelty free, non-clogging, I think is what that word is. I cannot say that word to save my life. Anywho, it has snow mushroom that helps hydrate, plump, and smooth the look of the skin. 5-peptide complex visibly improves fine lines and wrinkles for smoother, firmer looking skin. And fermented astragalus root helps improve the feel of skin firmness. So you are stronger than you know. Wow. But yeah, so that was the product that I got as well. And then last but not least, I picked the bronzer out of the third category. And so this is from Context, and it's supposed to be a matte bronzer, but this is in the shade Undisputed. But I will say, let me just open it. So this is what the packaging looks like. It's just like a white package, and then this is the bronzer. So the bronzer does look a bit dark. There's no mirror. I'm here like hiding it like it's a mirror, but there's no mirror. But yeah, it looks a little dark compared to what I would use, but when I was looking at it, it almost looks satin. Okay, hold on. Okay, so swatching it, it's not as dark, but do you see that sheen? It almost looks satin in a way. Oh wow, I was scared that it was dark, but I have to like build it. I don't even know if you can see it. I have to build it up, so ooh, I have to kind of play with that. But yeah, it kind of looks a little satiny. So that is that. So I will go ahead and put the total of what everything costs all together. If I were to go out to the store and buy everything individually, what I would be paying. And again, it's only like, I believe a little over $30 a month, like 31, 32, something like that with tax and everything. So it's a good deal. I love how the sun is going away. Anyways, but yeah, I feel like it was a good combination of things. I love getting a mixture of makeup and skincare. So I got 3 makeup products, a brow pencil, a bronzer, and a mascara. And then I got 2 skincare items. So I got the oil cleanser, and the cream. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy these types of videos. Go ahead and comment down below if you have any future video suggestions. If you just wanted to say hi, that is fine too. And let me know, do you get BoxyCharm and what did you get this month? Bye. Thanks for watching.